This woman was obese until a doctor shared this simple trick to lose weight. At this point, you most likely have known something about turmeric and its many benefits. But something not many know is that this fantastic spice can help you lose weight by improving liver function, thermogenesis levels, and the absorption of other antioxidants. It has also been shown to reduce cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and angiogenesis of fatty tissue. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to each organ of the body through the blood vessels, so when a new tissue is formed, it is crucial to have sufficient blood supply for growth and preservation. Unfortunately, this process does not distinguish which elements are harmful and can help cancer or other harmful cells survive. You can use supplements to get your daily dose, but it will always be better to avoid pills, as it usually contains unwanted ingredients that have nothing to do with health, such as lubricants, excipients, binders, slippers, disintegrants, and dyes. While these elements are considered safe, research has shown that for some people can cause adverse reactions in the body. So it is advisable to make sure we get brand name or reputable brand supplements, in case we want to incorporate turmeric in this way. The other options are to make turmeric juice or use more turmeric powder at meals. Both are good ways to get the many benefits you have. Turmeric water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup of water, a small pinch of black pepper. Instructions: put the teaspoon of turmeric in the bowl with water and add the black pepper, stir well. Drink in the morning, before or after every meal, or whenever you feel like you need an energy boost. I asked 3